What if China, Canada, and Mexico teamed up against the US? After a 25% US tariff, its biggest trade partners retaliate. Their plan? A global trade alliance that isolates America. China strikes first. It dumps US debt and halts key exports, crippling industries overnight. Electronics, pharmaceuticals, and raw materials vanish, sending prices skyrocketing. Canada follows. It shuts down the Northeast power grid, plunging Michigan, New York, and Minnesota into darkness. Then the oil shock, 4 million barrels per day cut off, pushing gas prices up 70 cents. Mexico delivers the final blow. Detroit's auto industry collapses without key parts. 1.2 million barrels of oil vanish, gas prices jump $1, and grocery bills double. With the U.S. choked from three sides, economic losses exceed $800 billion. Could America survive, or is it too big to fail? Comment below and share.